Welcome to Little Bird Tales. My name is Dylan Jensen. And this class is Infotech 2 on January 10th. My site is littlebirdtales.com. If you ever wondered how to use Little Bird Tales, well, I'm going to show you how. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do when you log on to my Little Bird Tales is you're going to want to come over here to create an account, and it'll bring you to another page. Okay, so after you go through registration, the steps are pretty self-explanatory. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to kind of look around. You can create public tales, you can view other people's tales, and add downloads onto your site. But what I'm going to show you how to do is create a tale. Okay, so when you get there, after you click to create a tale, it'll pull you up to create a new tale cover, which here you can go and draw different things. You can draw pretty much whatever you want on here to add to your story. Down here is how you change your brush stroke sizes. It changes the color of the black you want, and you can do as like a background. This makes it like a blow brush. You can erase the things that you've done. You can add lines to your story, different shapes of things. You can add circles, and you can even add your own text. You can change your font size down here and your colors. When you're done, make sure you click save, or you can, if you want, you can upload your own pictures of whatever you would like. One happens to be of a deer skull. So when you're done, make sure you click save. You can close out. You then can go to your profile or public tales, and these are tales that other people have created on this site. Just click on the ones that you want in order to view them. Then it'll set up. Then you can click the play button. Then you can go, and then that is all I have for you. So make sure you have fun with the site.